In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade synthetic indices on Deriv. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to hover on the options section and then choose the trading platform. In our case, I am going to choose the Deriv Trader. Click the open. And if you do, you'll be instantly forwarded to the Deriv trading panel itself. Before we start trading, let's first understand what synthetic indices actually are. If you hover on the top right corner, you will see there is a drop-down menu. I want you to click on it because synthetic indices are simulated markets created by Deriv. Unlike Forex, they are not affected by real-world news, politics, or economic events. Now, synthetics are markets powered by cryptographically secure random number generators, meaning the price movement is designed to mimic real market volatility but operates independently. One of the biggest synthetic advantages is that they are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, including weekends. Some of the popular synthetic indices includes the boom indices, crash, jump, and of course, the volatility. Now, for volatility, this is a beginner-friendly synthetic index wherein you can choose from 10s, 25, 50, 75, and 100. The higher the number, the riskier you get. Okay? Once you select a specific synthetic index, you'll be forwarded on the right side. Now, you have multiple tools that you can use here on the top menu. You can use a rise and fall, accumulator, multipliers, turbos, vanillas, until, even, and odd. Matter of fact, we have separate videos on how to use all of these that you might want to check in our channel. In this case, we're going to choose the even and odd. All I have to do is choose a duration, for example, 1 tick. And for the stake, this is actually the amount. Choose something like 25. Before you click the buy button, it would be wise if you use a demo account first, so you can practice and try the synthetic indices here in Deriv without risking real money. All I have to do is click the buy button. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to trade synthetic indices on Deriv. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.